Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make low-fat hummus. First, gather your ingredients. We'll focus on reducing the traditional tahini content, which is a primary source of fat in classic hummus recipes. This approach ensures a lighter, healthier dip without sacrificing flavor or that wonderfully smooth texture. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create a delicious, guilt-free snack or appetizer for your next gathering. For our low-fat hummus, you'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly rinsed and drained. The key to reducing fat is using just 2 tablespoons of tahini, a substantial decrease from typical recipes. We'll also incorporate the juice of 1 fresh lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, and about 1/4 of a cup of ice water. This ice water is a secret ingredient for achieving that incredibly smooth, airy consistency. Now let's blend. Add your rinsed chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, fresh lemon juice, and minced garlic to a food processor. Process these ingredients for about 2 minutes, allowing them to break down into a thick paste. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/4 cup of ice water. This gradual addition helps emulsify the mixture, creating an exceptionally light and creamy hummus without needing any added oils. Finally, it's time to taste and adjust. Sample your freshly made hummus and add salt and pepper to your liking. For a touch of color and extra flavor, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of paprika and a very light drizzle of olive oil, if you wish. This low-fat hummus is perfect with crisp vegetables, warm whole wheat pita bread, or as a healthy spread in sandwiches. Enjoy your delicious and guilt-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.